Fluorite, also known as fluorspore. Fluorite is the most important fluorine-containing industrial ore. Human beings have a long history of using fluorite. The installation of fluorite powder ball press should pay attention to the mixer of the ball press in the production. If the clutch slips, the fixed wire on the 3 jaws can be loosened to adjust. If we need to add toppings, we can add them to the blender. When the conveyor of fluorite powder ball pressing machine works normally, we should ensure that the belt does not run off. If the belt is not straight, we can adjust the roller bearing before and after the top wire. Before the feeding machine of fluorite powder ball pressing machine works, the first thing is to adjust the tightness of the belt to control the belt does not run off. Then, according to the production capacity of the molding machine, to adjust the size of the gate so that the supply amount is not much.